Right, getting closer to finishing this project. Just bought two radiators off eBay. Came pretty quick too. This one, wait a minute, this one is in real nice shape. I mean, actually, they're both in good shape. No, it's this one that's in real good shape. This one is like brand new looking. It even says Audi on it, so it's not that aftermarket crap. This one's a little dirty, but I'll clean it up. Came with all the hoses and everything else. I saw a lot of these for a lot more money. I paid $100 with shipping for both of them. I saw just the hoses, $60. I saw just the individual radiator. This whole setup usually on eBay probably like $350 or so. But hopefully it is good. It even has the bottom bracket there. I'm going to clean this up, gunk it, everything else. This side is leaking. Passenger side is leaking. Which side is which? I think maybe this side is it. I don't know, of course. Probably the dirtier one. But I have two just in case this whole nose is going to get blown off when the bring it into the shop. So it kind of makes sense. And be like, listen, switch this out. I don't know if it's a hose, a radiator, or whatever it is. Something's got to give. But totally detailed the car now, which is kind of weird. Yeah, I know. I detail the car and then it's going to go in for service. But you know what? Just trying to get things done. Only thing I'm waiting for, lastly, and I just ordered it too, been procrastinating, is the back trunk. LED light, I got to put in there the lights. So I got to blow out the whole trunk, take off the trunk panel and do that. I did it on the A4, so it's not hard at all. Do that, and then really the car's coming along. Need a fuel door actuator, which I'm going to order too. Just trying to get these little things done and kind of take it from there. You know what I mean? I just want to drive this thing already and enjoy this car. I don't seem to enjoy anything in life. All I do is kind of fix stuff and not use stuff. There you go.